Hi guys, I got this semiconductor stock that I've been looking at for quite some time now, and I think this stock is about to like triple, double, or go more than that, like and go really far in the near short term that's coming. So let's take a look at the stock. It got the ticker symbol XPER. That's from its profile. It's in the electronic technology sector. You can read through its description right here, but then we're going to quickly move on to its financials just to see how things are looking this side. They got a market cap of about 2 billion. Number of employees is at about 700. Wow, really medium company. They got a balance sheet which is looking pretty much good. Total assets MQR of about 2.6 billion. Total debts, yeah, they got some pretty decent debts, but doesn't make it bad at all, with a net debt of about 800 million. To equity ratio is very low, which is a good thing. Operating metrics, they got like some really good operating metrics and a good revenue per employee figure right here. Um, Another thing that I want to look at is like actually how the price have changed within the current year. As you can see, our lowest price was about $9 per share. Our highest price was at about $20 per share. This is almost like double its value within the previous year or so, or the current year. So this is like really good. And if I'm looking for a high growth individual, I tend to actually look at like companies which have already doubled before. So this for me is a good sign or a good indicator. They got dividends that they are paying. uh, and looking at their margins, they got some pretty good operating margin. Income statement, let me look at the total revenue. They got it at about 280 million. Gross profit of about 164 million. These financials look really great, guys. Look really great. Let me switch on to their charts just to see. As for now, the stock is currently on fire. It's going really. It's doing really great. What can I do? Alright, here it's currently at about 21.3 dollars per share. Not really bad. You can I can I'll be actually be loading up on this thing, like if I can write it now, and then it comes at about like, let me say 40, around 40 44 price per share, I would have easily like made 100%. So I'm really getting this thing. And another point, this is not any form of financial advice. This is just my opinion of the stocks that I'm actually looking at, and some of the stocks that are actually on my portfolio. If you're looking for financial advice, look somewhere else. This is not any form of financial advice. And if you like this type of content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.